Hello, my name is Luz Ortiz. This is the discussion forum number 2 for English class. Do you have a husband? Yes, I have a husband. Do you have a wife? No, I am wife. Do you have a son? Yes, I have a son. Do you have a daughter? Yes, I have a daughter. Do you have a mother? Yes, I have mother. Do you have a father? No, I don't have father. Do you have grandmother? No, I don't have grandmother. Do you have grandfather? No, I don't have grandfather. Do you have a sister? Yes, I have a sister. Do you have a brother? Yes, I have a brother. Do you have a house? Yes, I have a house. Do you have an apartment? No, I don't have an apartment. What country are you from? I am from Puerto Rico. Thank you.